very good morning to class 6. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss chapter 28 advertisement. Today we are going to discuss how to write an advertisement. So, what is an advertisement? Have you heard of this word? Yes, we all are aware of it, right? We are being aware of advertisement and we see many advertisement every day, right? So advertisement is a way of communication through which people advertise and promote their products or services. There are two types of advertisement. First one is display advertisement and the second one is classified advertisement. Display advertisement. In display advertisements, as the name suggests, a person, an institute, or an organization promotes their products or services through banners, posters, and text images. Display advertisement may include graphics, logos, animated text, photographs, etc. Right? So, in display advertisement, people promote their organization, institute, or anything, right, through banners, posters, text images, right? They can include graphics, logos, animated text, photographs, etc. As you can see here, there are two examples, right? The first one is an display advertisement for Squeaky Clean Services, right? So they have given a logo, right? They have given the contact, there is a picture, and there is one more example, right? There is a sale, right? Red tag, save 20 to 50% off, right? Just about everything in the showroom, right? So these are known as display advertisement. A display advertisement is designed for commercial purposes. It takes more space and is more expensive in terms of advertising cost. These are visually more attractive with varying font, shape, and size, as we have seen. They are there are catchy slogans, punchlines with witty expression, with pictures or sketches in display advertisement, and essential details to note, right? And they also have the essential details like contact number or address. Now, the second type of advertisement is classified advertisement. Classified advertising is a form of advertising particularly common in newspapers, online, or other periodicals. Classified advertisements are much cheaper than larger display advertisements used by businesses, although display advertising is more widespread. So, classified advertising is also a form of advertising which we particularly see in newspapers, right? Here are some examples for sale, right? Maruti Suzuki Zen is available for sale. 900cc new tires, scratchless body, insured with all required documents, inbuilt music system, runs 15,000 kilometers single-handed, mint condition for rupees 1 lakh only. Interested buyers may contact to Mr. Ravi and so, right? Here is one more classified tours and travels, right? So here in classified, we have only the facts, right, and the things which are needed. There are no logos, there are no pictures, no slogans, anything, only the details which are required. So the important features of classified advertisement are no blocks, no design, and the language is to be factual, as we have seen in the example. Simple, formal, but to the point. Compressive, yet must not leave any important matter, right? So it has all the important matters. Never be too lengthy, confined to limited words. So it can be lengthy, right? It have no design, no slogans. You can say it have a simple formal language, and all the points are up to the mark, right? Whatever is needed, whatever is important is written in the classified advertisement. You can see here one more example. So first the heading is written, heading in capital letters like situation vacant, and then the body of the advertisement. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to write an advertisement. Thank you.